Take a closer look at our little porkers. Across their old spots, putting on the weight. Oxford Sandy and Blacks not quite needing to put on the weight. Seems to be a equal proportion at the trough. Go across to the Tamworths, see what they're about. And there they are, slightly larger, just a little bit forward than the Oxford Sandy and Blacks and the Gloucesters. Looking good. Certainly enjoying their food. Just the other three. Between the 6 of them, they're currently eating around about 11 kilograms of food a day. Cheeky little porkers. There we go. Another day, another piece of digging.